Winter is coming, but don't let colds win. Winter, it's magical, with cozy nights and festive cheer. But let's be real, it's also prime time for sniffles and coughs. Nobody enjoys feeling unwell, especially during the holidays. This year, let's aim for a healthier winter. We can take charge of our well-being and actually enjoy the season to the fullest. It's all about simple steps and building healthy habits. Ready to feel your best this winter? Let's get started. The pesky culprits, why we cough and sniffle. Coughing and sneezing are our body's natural defense mechanisms, but they can be quite annoying. Ever wondered why colds seem to love winter? It's a common question, especially when we find ourselves sniffling and coughing more during the colder months. It's not just the cold weather itself, but how it affects us. The chilly air can make us shiver and wrap up in layers, but it also has a deeper impact on our health. Cold air dries out our nasal passages, making them more vulnerable to those pesky viruses. When our nasal passages are dry, they lose some of their ability to filter out harmful pathogens. Plus, we're often huddled indoors, which makes it easier for germs to spread. Close contact in confined spaces is a perfect recipe for viruses to jump from person to person. Our immune systems can also weaken during colder months due to less sunlight and vitamin D. The lack of sunlight means our bodies produce less vitamin D, which is crucial for maintaining a strong immune system. It's like giving those cold viruses a VIP invitation. They find it easier to invade our bodies and cause those dreaded symptoms. But fear not, knowledge is power. By understanding these factors, we can take steps to protect ourselves. Understanding the why helps us fight back more effectively. Simple actions like washing hands frequently, using hand sanitizer, and maintaining a healthy diet can make a big difference in keeping those colds at bay. Dodge the germs. Smart habits for a healthier you. Let's talk defense. In today's world, staying healthy is more important than ever. Simple habits can make a big difference in keeping those pesky germs at bay. Preventing those coughs and sniffles is the best gift you can give yourself this winter. A strong immune system is your best ally. So, let's dive into some practical tips. First up, hand washing is your superpower. It's a simple yet powerful way to eliminate germs. Make it a habit to wash your hands thoroughly. Wash your hands regularly with soap and water, especially before eating and after being in public. Scrub for at least 20 seconds to ensure all germs are gone. Next, resist the urge to touch your face. Germs can easily enter your body through your eyes, nose, and mouth. It's a hard habit to break, but it stops germs from entering your system. Practice mindfulness and keep your hands busy to avoid touching your face. And if you're feeling under the weather, stay home. Rest is crucial for recovery, and it helps prevent spreading illness to others. It might seem inconvenient, but it prevents spreading germs to others. Communicate with your workplace and take the necessary time to heal. These small actions make a huge difference in staying healthy. Encourage your family and friends to adopt these habits too. Together, we can create a healthier community. Supercharge your immunity. Nature's powerhouse. Our bodies are incredible machines, capable of defending against countless threats. But to keep this defense system strong, we need to fuel it properly. Think of your immune system as an army fighting off those nasty invaders. Each cell is like a soldier, ready to protect you from harmful bacteria and viruses. Let's give it the best weapons. Nutritious foods, rich in vitamins and minerals, are essential for maintaining a robust immune system. Eating a rainbow of fruits and vegetables provides essential vitamins and antioxidants. Each color represents different nutrients that play a unique role in supporting your health. Citrus fruits are packed with vitamin C, a powerful immune booster. This vitamin helps stimulate the production of white blood cells, which are crucial for fighting infections. Don't underestimate the power of sleep. Quality rest is vital for your immune system to function optimally. Aim for 7 to 8 hours each night to allow your body to repair and recharge. During sleep, your body produces cytokines, proteins that target infection and inflammation. Regular exercise also strengthens your immune system. Physical activity helps flush bacteria out of the lungs and airways, reducing your chances of getting a cold or flu. Even a brisk walk outdoors can make a difference. It increases circulation, allowing immune cells to move through your body more freely. Lastly, manage stress through activities like yoga or meditation. These practices help lower cortisol levels, which can suppress your immune response if elevated for too long. Stress weakens the immune system, making you more susceptible to illness. By incorporating relaxation techniques into your daily routine, you can enhance your body's ability to fend off sickness. Sometimes, despite our best efforts, those sniffles might creep in. But don't worry, there are plenty of home remedies to ease your discomfort. A warm, salt water gargle can work wonders for a sore throat. It helps to reduce inflammation and clear out mucus. Feeling congested? Inhaling steam with a few drops of eucalyptus oil can help clear your sinuses. Drinking warm liquids, like herbal teas with honey and lemon, can soothe a cough and keep you hydrated. Remember, these remedies offer temporary relief. If your symptoms worsen or persist, consult a healthcare professional. Hydration heroes. The power of staying hydrated. We often associate hydration with summer, but it's equally crucial during winter. Heated indoor air can be surprisingly drying, leading to dehydration without us realizing it. Dehydration can make cold symptoms worse, making you feel even more miserable. Aim to drink plenty of fluids throughout the day. Water is always best, but you can also sip on herbal teas, broths, and even fruits and vegetables with high water content, like cucumbers and watermelon. Keep a reusable water bottle handy as a reminder to stay hydrated throughout the day. Sleep your way to health. Rest is best. We've touched on sleep before, but it's so vital, it deserves its own spotlight. Sleep is when your body goes into repair mode, strengthening your immune system and fighting off infections. During winter, our sleep cycles can be disrupted due to shorter daylight hours. Try to maintain a regular sleep schedule, even on weekends, to optimize your body's natural rhythm. Make sure your bedroom is dark, quiet, and cool for optimal sleep. Avoid screen time at least an hour before bed. Stress less, enjoy more. Finding calm in the chaos. The holidays, while joyous, can also bring stress. Remember, stress weakens your immune system, making you more susceptible to illness. Incorporate stress-reducing activities into your routine, such as yoga, meditation, or simply taking a few minutes each day for deep breathing exercises. Don't be afraid to say no to commitments if you're feeling overwhelmed. It's okay to prioritize your well-being. Spend time doing things you enjoy, whether it's reading a book, listening to music, or catching up with loved ones. Laughter truly is the best medicine. Stay healthy, stay strong. Your winter wellness guide. This winter, let's make a pact to prioritize our health. By adopting these simple yet effective tips, we can boost our immune systems and minimize those pesky coughs and sniffles. Remember, prevention is key. Focus on good hygiene, a nutritious diet, regular exercise, adequate sleep, and stress management. And if you do start feeling under the weather, listen to your body and rest. Home remedies can provide relief, but don't hesitate to seek professional medical advice if needed. Here's to a happy, healthy, and cough-free winter. Don't forget to like this video and to subscribe to this channel.